Hi guys, Nicky is here from IcoSpace. Are you ready for studying? Okay then, today the topic will be how to draw internal walls and how to draw wall finishes. So, let's start. So, we have finished with all the layers of the external walls. I can rename this main group and let's say external walls. I will go to the top view and now I can see all the layers of my walls. They are ready, so I'm ready to continue with the internal walls of my house. They should be created in a different groups. So I will click double, make a group, and this group will be, I will leave this group as it is now. This group actually is a part of my external walls. So what I can do, I can create some trick here and I can simply select this group. I can go to edit, cut, then I have to go out of the selection and I can go again here, edit, paste in place, and this group is already out of the external walls. I can check this. See, I have separate group which is not a part of my external walls. So I'm ready to go inside this group, use line tool in order to create the internal walls. Make a group, rename internal wall, let's say 01. I will use small capitals, so internal wall 01. I will go here and by using push pull I will extend this wall up to here. So now I have to create a different part of this wall which should be in this direction. So I will simply select this face, draw a line from here. I will lock the direction in blue and I have this part that I can use a push pull again in order to create this part of the wall up to here. Then I can draw a line from here, again lock the direction up to here, from this point lock up to this one, and by using push pull again I can draw this wall to here. Then I have to draw this part of the wall, simply again line from here up to this corner, up to this one, push again up to this point here. Then I can go to this direction let's see what we can do here in order to create this corner. I will draw this wall up to this point, then Control key, I can create additional face that I can use to push up to this wall here. Finally, I have to create this wall and this. So now I can simply, by using R from my keyboard or rectangular tool, I can create this part here, and by using push this part is ready. In a similar way I will create the next one. So all the internal walls actually are ready, and we are ready to go ahead. I will exit from the group. I will rename this group internal walls. I will use walls, and I will check if something is wrong or not. Obviously everything is okay. So now I have to create actually the finishing layer of all of these walls. How to do that? In a very simple way. At first I will go into the group of internal walls, then this is internal wall 01. I will go into this group, and from this group, by triple clicking over the mouse, I will select all these faces, all these parts of this internal wall, and I will create a new group. I will call this group only with initial internal wall, and then I will not leave this group. I will create a simple rectangle from this point here up to this point here. Now I can pick all the parts of this rectangle, and by double clicking I can create a new group, and this is internal finish, which is a separate group, and by using push pull I can push this finish up to this point here. Then by using Control key I can push up to this face. By using Control key I'm creating an additional face here that I can use and push up to the corner here. So by this way actually I'm ready with this part of the wall finishes. In a similar way, I will create all these parts for wall finishing. So, it was all for today. I hope you enjoy lesson in first place. You learn something very interesting and useful. See you next time. Bye.